What are the tax filing requirements for a 1099 form? Imagine earning money from freelance work, rental income, or interest, and wondering how to report it to the government. If you get a 1099 form, you need to know what to do next. When you receive a 1099 form, it means the IRS has been informed about income you earned outside of regular wages. The most common forms are the 1099 NEC for non-employee compensation, the 1099 MISC for miscellaneous income, and the 1099 INT for interest earned. No matter how small the amount, if you see income on a 1099, you are generally required to report it on your federal tax return. For example, if you get a 1099 NEC for $600 or more, you must include that income when you file your taxes. The IRS expects all income to be reported, even if you did not receive a W-2 from an employer. There are specific thresholds that determine when a payer must send you a 1099 form. For payments to independent contractors or freelancers, if they pay you $600 or more in a year, they must send you a 1099 NEC. Starting in 2026, this threshold will increase to $2,000, but for now, it stays at $600. For payments made through payment cards or third-party networks like PayPal, the 1099-K form is used. Currently, if you receive $5,000 or more through these platforms in a year, the payer must send a 1099-K. This threshold drops to $2,500 in 2025 and then to $600 in 2026. Payers need to send you your 1099 forms by January 31st of the year following the tax year. This means if you earned income in 2023, you should get your 1099 NEC or 1099 MISC by January 31st, 2024. The IRS also requires businesses to file these forms by the same deadline. If you are a business or individual filing 10 or more 1099 forms, you must submit them electronically. This rule started in 2023, lowering the number from 150 to just 10 forms. If a payee does not give you a valid taxpayer identification number, the payer might need to withhold a percentage of your payment for backup withholding. This is a safety measure to ensure taxes are paid. The amount withheld is sent directly to the IRS. There are different types of 1099 forms for various income sources. The 1099 NEC reports non-employee compensation, like payments to freelancers. The 1099 MISC covers rents, royalties, or prizes. The 1099-K reports payment card and third-party network transactions. Other forms include the 1099 INT for interest earned, the 1099 DIV for dividends, and the 1099-R for retirement distributions. For Asian American taxpayers, understanding these rules is important. If you work as an independent contractor, rent out property, or earn interest, you might receive one or more 1099 forms. Keep accurate records of all income and expenses to make filing easier. When you get a 1099, save it and use it to complete your tax return correctly. Not reporting income on a 1099 can lead to IRS notices, penalties, or interest charges. If you pay someone $600 or more as an independent contractor, you are responsible for issuing them a 1099 NEC by January 31st. In short, the main requirements are to report all income shown on your 1099 forms on your tax return, be aware of when these forms are issued, meet the deadlines, and file electronically if you have 10 or more forms. Staying updated on changes, like the upcoming increase in reporting thresholds, helps you stay compliant and avoid surprises during tax season.